Hi guys, it's me and the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Welcome to day 4 of low carb week. Today we're gonna make a false sauerkraut. It's not fermented. It's a very easy way for you to have a sauerkraut fairly fast. You can eat it with pork chops, with tenderloin, with hot dogs. It's delicious. You can keep it in your refrigerator for weeks and you're gonna love it. Before we do anything, if you would please sub, I'd really appreciate it. Click on the notification button so that you don't miss out on anything. And let's make this. So I am just slicing a small head of red cabbage. Just slicing it, you know, thin so that we can just cook it. And you know, this is going to reduce a lot, so don't worry that it's too much. Plus, it lasts for weeks and weeks in your refrigerator, and it's great on all kinds of foods. I'm gonna finish chopping and I'm gonna go rinse this so we can cook it. We're gonna heat some oil in this pan and we'll add our cabbage. Obviously, guys, you can use green cabbage for this. I just like the vibrance of the color of the purple one. All right, we're gonna let that cook for a few minutes. I'm going to add salt. You can add a teaspoon of sugar to this if you want. We're keeping this low carb, so I'm not gonna add any sugar. Another thing you can add to this is an apple. Oh, that goes beautiful. And just, you know, cook it with the cabbage. Just a small apple, peel it, you know, cube it, put it in here, delicious. I'm gonna add some peppercorns to this. Oh, I don't know, let's call that a teaspoon. And I'm going to add white vinegar to it. We're gonna now simmer this for about an hour until it's all nicely cooked, and I'll come back. And this is ready. There's still liquid in there, as you can see. We're not gonna serve the liquid, but we will store it with the liquid if we have leftover, so don't throw it away. If you let this cool down and put it in a container with a lid, it'll last you for weeks in the refrigerator, guys. I personally love it. This is how I'm gonna store it, guys. I just wanna show you. In a mason jar with all the liquid, and I'll just warm it up as I need it. Let's taste this. You know what? If you like pickled stuff, you're gonna love this. It's tart from the vinegar. You have that contrast with the salt. So I put what seemed like a lot of salt in it, but it's to balance it. If you are not doing low carb and you want to add that sugar, that will help balance the tartness as well. But frankly, for me, not needed. It's delish. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Tomorrow, we're gonna make some air fryer pork chops and we're gonna serve them with this. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Don't forget to be one of the first 100 people to go and retrieve your cookbook for free. See you tomorrow.